Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super nice and cool and good looking, kind of like a stylish, I want to say, bench that this brand sent to me for this video. I gotta say, number one, the assemble process, and that's a plane just flying, ruining my video. I mean, I hope you can't hear it, but let's talk about the assemble process one more time. It was super easy. I have to say that the only thing you will have to do is just set up the legs, this one and this one, with the base and the backboard, and that's it. And it's gonna take you about, I'm not exaggerating, probably 10 minutes, no more than that. And then this one supports 400 pounds, so that's actually a lot of weight just based on the size, because this one is not super big. It is 50 inches wide, so you can fit two people over here. I think it's a really nice one just to put on a patio, on kind of like the entrance of your house, or if you have a porch in your house, in the entrance of your house, that's gonna be super, super nice. Let's take a closer look. So I do like number one, that is waterproof. It is coated for the rain, so you can leave it outside. It's not gonna decay, it's not gonna rust or anything else, so that's actually really nice. I do like this pattern over here. Makes it to be stylish, I think so, right? Like some kind of a cozy vibe or something like that. And I do like that the armrests are combed as well as this section over here is also combed. So you're gonna, when you're sitting, you're gonna have a little bit of elevation on your legs. So that's gonna be good for circulation on your legs, and also to have a nice sitting position over here, just with the backrest as well. So yeah, I gotta say, looks really good. Fits up to two people. It is comfy as well. It supports 400 pounds. It's coated to, you can leave it outside for the rain and things like that. And it's also easy to assemble. Looks good. It's gonna make it even better in your patio or your porch house or something like that. I like it, so I'm gonna recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.